Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Tuta Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta Mail app not opening issues. Whether the app crashes immediately, gets stuck on the startup screen, refuses to launch, or closes unexpectedly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to get it working again. So let's get started. First, completely close the Tuta Mail app and try opening it again. Temporary software glitches can sometimes prevent applications from launching properly, and a simple restart may solve the problem. Next, restart your device. Rebooting your phone, tablet, or computer can clear temporary system issues that may be interfering with the app. If the app still won't open, check for updates. Visit your device's app store and make sure you're running the latest version of Tuta Mail. Software updates often include important bug fixes and compatibility improvements. You should also verify that your device's operating system is up to date. Running an outdated operating system can sometimes cause applications to malfunction or fail to launch. And that's how to fix Tuta Mail app not opening issues. By checking updates, clearing cache files, reviewing device settings, and reinstalling the application when necessary, you can resolve most startup problems and get back into your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.